the backyard science lab. In a sunny backyard, young scientist Sophie is ready to explore the wonders of science with her very own lab.
Look at this! What do you think will happen when I mix blue and yellow?
Lily, the careful scientist, records all their amazing discoveries, ensuring every step is just right. Emma adds the yellow liquid, and she watches with excitement as the liquid starts to change color.
Wow, it's turning green!
Next, Lily takes a closer look at the crystals they've made, marveling at their sparkly shapes through the magnifying glass.
They're so sparkly up close!
Now it's Sophie's turn for the grand finale, launching their homemade rocket.
Stand back, everyone! We're ready to launch!
3, 2, 1, blast off! The backyard rocket soars high, thrilling the three young scientists